Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm filming right now with the Sony A7S III and I also got the Sony A6400, so I thought, hey, let's compare these two cameras and yeah, this is the way it turned out. Let's get right into the video. Okay, now this is really impressive. Just look at this ibis. Come on! Well done, Sony. I mean, this looks like on a tripod or on a gimbal. It is on a tripod. This is just, as you can see here, I'm walking quite fast. It's not like a ninja walk or whatever. It's incredible. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted the S3. Because I always felt so limited if I can't walk with the 6400. It's just everything's so shaky and I've got a family. I'd love to run behind my son to do some action with the camera, not just stand still and always be careful, don't shake, don't shake. IBIS test again with running. I try to follow Laya with speed, like do a little run, and yeah, I was just blown away. The Sony A6400 also looks pretty good. I mean, it's good enough. But I'm a nightclub owner, so 90% I shoot everything in low light. That's why I bought the Sony A7S III. So right now, as you can see, no picture profile, everything automatic, white balance, ISO, just 1/50th shutter speed, 180 rule, and 2.8 f-stop. I mean, right now I think they look very similar. Except the IBIS, of course, but from the colors there isn't like a big difference. As I said before, I didn't try to win a prize with the footage I've got here. It was just more about walking around with it, have it on. I filmed in 25 frames a second and I didn't play around with the colors or something. I mean, this is straight out of camera. What are your thoughts about this comparison? What do you think? Did you see something I didn't see? Let me know in the comments below, would be very interesting. Or if you have some other questions about these two cameras, I try to answer them. As you can see now, I'm putting it down to f13 on both of the lenses, till the zebras go away. If you wonder where I am, this place is called Domleschg. It's in Switzerland, in Griso, Graubünden. And yeah, if you're in this area and you're a filmmaker, let me know. We can go out together, have a little fun. Alright, so it didn't go that well. He wanted to go home
so it was a little bit stressful. But I tried my best. I think I need to go tomorrow again and have another try to shoot everything.
Yeah, alright guys, that was the comparison. Let me know what you think about it. If you haven't subscribed, if you're more into that stuff or about vlog, about my life, I would highly appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye everybody. Woo!